Alright guys, so this is going to be the beginning of part 2 of the Montana hunting trip. So far we've gotten the coyote and my deer, but we still have to get my dad's antelope and then shoot some like grouse, maybe more coyotes, ducks, stuff like that. So stay tuned. Alright, so it's early in the morning. I just spotted some antelope. It's like 25 degrees out here, so it's kind of cold, but we're trying to see if there's a good one. Alright guys, so I don't really know what happened, but for some reason when I was looking back at the footage, my GoPro must have turned off like right before my dad shot the antelope, which it really does suck, but I'll kind of tell you what happened. So the antelope kept walking and walking before my dad shot him, and then the antelope finally stopped for a second, and my dad shot, and then the antelope kind of ran for I don't know, maybe 30 yards, and then stopped again. And then my dad shot him again. He thought he missed, and the antelope just kept standing there, but now we think that he shot, after we skinning him and stuff, we thought he shot the antelope twice, or the second time too. And then he shot the third time, and he just dropped the antelope, it just fell. But yeah, so from there on, I'll roll the footage. Look at that antelope, guys. Wow. I think they're such pretty animals. Alright guys, now we can go bird hunting. Alright guys, so we got the antelope all hanging up. But I think for now we're gonna go look for some sharptail grouse. Got one, guys. Too far. Oh, I hope he has that good fan. I'll keep his fan along with my sage grouse fan that I kept from the last video, or not the last video, from the sage grouse video, because this is gonna be part 2 of the Missouri Breaks hunting trip. He's definitely a male, guys. I could easily see that. He might be a mature one too. I hope he has a good fan. Alright, so guys, I was looking back at the footage, and we actually got, or my dad shot 2 other sharptails, and yeah, so I was looking at it, and I didn't really get good footage of it. But yeah, so you'll see them in a second, but my dad shot another 2 little sharptail.
Do you want to take a really cool picture?
Yeah, I do.
Watch this.
Guys, I'm walking over to this pond. I just spotted, I think, 2 ducks on this pond over here. Let's see if I can't jump and shoot them. was. I really hope he floats over because I don't really want to get hypothermia and have to swim out there today. That's for sure.
Oh, that's a shiny.
Yeah.
That's a shiny.
Thanks. Yes.
Good one. There you go.
Thanks.
First duck of the season.
First duck of the season. That's a beauty. Here, let me get a picture of you guys.
Look at that bird, guys. Nice mallard. That's so beautiful. Man, that's so cool. Look at that. And look at those wings too. That's a nice mallard, nice drake mallard, guys. Those are the sharptails in them. This big old mallard is the sharptail I shot, and these are the two sharptails that my dad shot. Guys, we were driving on this road and there's a porcupine. That thing is funny.
In between, he's going to have to go one way or the other, so be ready to get yourself out of the way.
First time I've ever seen a porcupine.
Yeah, it's kind of cool, huh?
This is hilarious.
Quill in you.
Tail?
Oh yeah. See all those hairs underneath his tail, like those really spiky looking ones?
Yeah.
Those have barbs on them, and what happens is when an animal tries to grab him, he pricks those up and whacks them with his tail and buries those things all in them, and they can't get them out. They're stuck in there. It's like, leave me alone, please. Just minding my own business.
Alright guys, so that's going to be the end of the video. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe.